downcasting? If the question arises, what will be the answer?
Sir, in case of specialization, when we need the parent class but with some extra methods of the child class.
Yes. Or
Sir, when we need some modifications in the child class without disturbing the parent class.
when we need to
do some modification or some specialization in child class methods which are not present in parent class method.
You know what?
Or when we have to call the child class method using the parent class methods.
यहाँ पे this is close to perfect answer when we want to call child class method using parent class reference, but if you just say that, तो obviously सामने वाला बोलेगा कैसे possible है parent class reference से how can you call that method which is there in child class only? So my suggestion is, what is downcasting? तो ये answer है, but then you will have to explain a scenario like this. ये सब पूरा scenario explain करना पड़ेगा. And for that you can ask for paper and pen and you can share your screen, or you can type on your notepad and share screen during intern. वो करो. So it's not necessary that everything you put it in terms of coding, or orally also you can discuss that suppose I have got some method void perform and its its argument is course reference, and from main function when I pass suppose DAG DBDA, उसके पहले describe करो क्या hierarchy है course DAG DBDA MSCIT, then you come to perform में argument है course reference and perform का main code है ref.start. So idea is from main function whichever course you pass उसका start method polymorphically we can invoke. Now in that case inside DAG DBDA we have one more special method which is not there in parent, उसका नाम है orientation. Now that we want to call in perform. So we can't say ref.orientation because ref is of type course and orientation is not there in course, so that will not combine. We can create new object of DAG DBDA inside perform, but it's of no use because in that case we start one batch and we do orientation of another batch, so meaningless. So in that case we would like to convert course reference to DAG DBDA so that we can call orientation on the same object which is passed from me. ऐसे पूरा आपको अपने words में describe करना पड़ेगा. Then that will be impressive. And for that you may have to write such a code. But my suggestion is, my advice to you is, don't just stick to one example. Otherwise यहाँ से 3-4 लोग जाएंगे, एक के पीछे एक दे रहा है कोर्स का एग्जाम्पल, दूसरा कोई एग्जाम्पल ही नहीं. तो you need to have more than, at least you need to have 3-4 examples like this. One example already we have seen, shape. Second example, course. Third example you will get in this discussion, essay. So don't just stick to one example, but you need to give complete example to explain when to go for downcasting. And definitely even if you try to explain in one word, one sentence, सामने वाला will not get convinced. He will say, okay, explain with the example. तो example तो आपको देना ही पड़ेगा ऐसे. In fact, here one file is there. When do you use downcasting? When we want to invoke child class method, which is not there in the parent class, and we have parent class reference in the program, we have to downcast. Even though this is correct, as one of you said that but it will not be sufficient. ये sufficient नहीं होगा. If you answer like that, this is correct answer. No doubt it is correct answer. But that interviewer will definitely ask you, what do you mean by that? Please give me one example. And you have to give example. And in that, at that time, you should be perfect. No room for any error. So for that, you need practice. Practice. Some assignments you will get based on this. Upcasting, downcasting, etc. Clear? Huh? So when to use upcasting, when to use downcasting, both have got reasons.
So we can say that in downcasting, assigning parent reference to the child class reference.
नहीं
ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं.
Converting parent class reference to child class reference.
Okay.
Converting parent class reference to child class. What you said is also correct, but ये थोड़ा और ज़्यादा अच्छा है.
हाँ,
Converting
okay.
parent to child.
Okay, sir.
Okay. तो course demo 2 हो गया. अभी course demo 3. Course demo 2 अच्छा निकाल दिया. Course demo 3. Yeah. Course demo 3 में perform method is same, downcasting. Just one change in main function, we are passing MSCIT also. So here you think what will happen? What will happen? चलो DAG DBDA का तो डिस्कशन हमने किया. हाँ हमने किया. ये डायग्राम है. हाँ अभी थोड़ा इसमें डिस्कस करते हैं. इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या आ सकती है? When we pass MSCIT, तो see now MSCIT का ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे बन गया. This is MSCIT. This is MSCIT. MSCIT goes to ref, upcasting. So ref will refer to 4000. So ref does not refer to this. Ref refers to MSCIT. हाँ? And then start. तो start call भी हुआ. Start call भी हुआ. उसके बाद we are doing downcasting blindly. आग बंद करके downcasting कर. So what is happening here is ref. DAG DBDA OB is equal to ref का meaning है OB will refer to that object where ref refers to. So OB will try to refer that object where ref refers to. Ref refers to MSCIT. Now OB is of type DAG DBDA. OB is of type DAG DBDA. Type कौन सा OB का? DAG DBDA. Now DAG DBDA and MSCIT are not compatible. DAG DBDA and MSCIT are not compatible. They are child classes of course. So when you try to convert DAG DBDA to MSCIT, that will give you class cast exception. MSCIT cannot be cast to DAC DBDA. Look at that error along with the name of exception. Exception कौन सा आएगा? Class cast exception. MSCIT cannot be cast to DAC DBDA. Okay. Check the code and make sure you followed this concept. When MSCIT is passed, what will happen? एक sequence में है all these programs. First we started with course demo, then course demo 1, then 2, now 3. So इसी order में revise करो. MSCIT when we pass, the diagram is this. You are trying to convert DAC DBDA to MSCIT. It's not possible because they are not compatible. Okay, understood? So where is the problem? Problem कहाँ पे है code में? Is that a problem we are passing MSCIT? ऐसे करेंगे तो फिर program को कोई meaning ही नहीं है. Then what do you mean by flexibility? Flexibility is such that when we pass DAC DBDA start should be called, orientation should be called, MSCIT pass करें तो MSCIT का start method call होना चाहिए. That is the flexibility. So that means problem is not passing MSCIT, but problem in downcasting blindly. So now think, this downcasting should be there. When? In what condition?
So when we pass when we only pass the object of that.
When we only pass the object of DAC DBDA, ऐसे बोलने से ये बोलो, when ref contains DAC DBDA, downcasting is necessary. ऐसे तो नहीं होगा कि main से only you pass DAC DBDA, उसके लिए तो कोड नहीं लिखा है ना हमने. DAC DBDA, MSCIT, tomorrow senior citizen, basic course, course for small kids, summer vacation course, जितने भी course आएंगे, तो we should say that downcasting should be there only if ref contains DAC DBDA. Downcasting should be there only if ref contains DAC DBDA. That means ref refers to DAC DBDA. वो कैसे करेंगे? We can do that with the condition. What condition? If ref instance of checks the content is a relationship, is a ref instance of DAC DBD. तो अभी क्या होगा? What will happen now? What will happen now? You know, when you pass DAC DBDA, तो ref का content क्या है? DAC DBDA. Ref instance of ref dot start DAC DBDA start method will be called. Ref instance of DAC DBDA, ref का content DAC DBDA है, तो DAC DBDA is a DAC DBDA. Parent is child and child is parent. Child is child and child is parent is a relationship. Car is a car and car is a four-wheeler. Yes or no? Student is student and student is a person. But does vice versa possible? Do we say four-wheeler is car? बोल सकते हैं four-wheeler is car? Wrong. Because four-wheeler can be bus or truck also. But car is a car and car is a four-wheeler. True. Student is a student and student is a person. True. Can we say person is a student? No. Person may be teacher, person may be housewife. So similarly, ref का content is DAC DBDA. You are asking a question, is DAC DBDA, DAC DBDA, DAC DBDA is DAC DBDA, and DAC DBDA is course. MSCIT is MSCIT and MSCIT is course. That is a relationship. Child is a child and child is a parent. Parent is child कभी नहीं होता है, false. तो रेफ का कंटेंट है DAC DBDA. DAC DBDA is a DAC DBDA, yes, true. So in that case, downcasting happens successfully and you call orientation. When you pass MSCIT, अभी रेफ का कंटेंट क्या हुआ? MSCIT. तो MSCIT का स्टार्ट मेथड कॉल हुआ. Now ref का कंटेंट है MSCIT. Ask yourself, MSCIT is DAC DBDA. MSCIT is DAC DBDA? Wrong. MSCIT is MSCIT and MSCIT is course. So MSCIT is not DAC DBDA. So this code will not execute. Since this code will not execute, we will not get class cast exception. So if I save and compile this code, it will work fine. See, start of DAC DBDA, introduction and Vikram sir session, start MSCIT. So whenever you downcast, do not downcast blindly. Always have to have this instance of condition. Instance of is an operator in Java which checks is a relationship. Yes, Chiran.
Sir, the solution which we provided, this is also temporary only, na?
Which suggestion?
No, solution, sir, this one, the if block, it is temporary. Like if there are many classes, so we can't keep writing many if blocks, na?
No, that depends on your code. Then you take a call how to write that code. But this code has to be there. This condition has to be there whenever downcasting is there.
Okay, okay. So is there something like what object we are passing as a parameter that we can create downcasting of that object only?
No. See, यहाँ पे DAC DBDA when we pass, we want to downcast. So if you have many classes like that, and if you have many conditions, so you have to have instance of for those classes.
Okay, sir.
Point is, you should not blindly downcast. That is a wrong practice. Wrong practice, very wrong practice. Always have to have instance of before downcasting. Yes.
सर
बोलो. हाँ बोलो.
सर ये जो इफ कंडीशन है ये एक बार सर एक्सप्लेन करोगे फिर से?
हाँ, DAC DBDA goes to ref. तो ref का कंटेंट क्या हुआ? DAC DBDA ना?
यस.
Yes or no? हाँ. तो अभी ref instance of DAC DBDA कैसे होगा? Ref का कंटेंट है DAC DBDA. Instance of checks is a relationship. So DAC DBDA is a DAC DBDA. DAC DBDA is DAC DBDA. Yes. DAC DBDA is DAC DBDA and DAC DBDA is course. MSCIT is MSCIT and MSCIT is a course. Child is child and child is parent. Car is car, car is four-wheeler. Student is student, student is person.
अच्छा अच्छा ओके सर. मतलब जैसा हम लोग इफ में a इक्वल टू करते हैं वो वैसा वाला स्टेटमेंट है.
हाँ. इंस्टेंस ऑफ का रिटर्न टाइप है बूलियन.
ओके.
True or false. Okay. तो when MSCIT comes, ref का कंटेंट है MSCIT. आप पूछते हो MSCIT is DAC DBDA? No way. MSCIT is MSCIT. MSCIT is a course. MSCIT is not DAC DBDA. तो ये कंडीशन false होती है. That means whatever is written here, that will not execute. ठीक है ना? कहाँ से कहाँ आ गए? We started from upcasting. Then we added additional method inside course. तो उसको कैसे कॉल करेंगे? Then we went for downcasting. It was possible. We created new object. Then we said it's of no use. So we downcast. We did downcasting. It worked. Now downcasting fails when some other object goes MSCIT. So we have instance of. That's why all these programs are related. तो एक सीक्वेंस में उनको देखना है रिवीजन के टाइम पे. हाँ, yes. बोलो।
Sir, don't we need to write the else block where we can say that if reference is not part of DAC-DBDA, then else run reference of MSCIT kind of
नहीं, ये तो है ना, ये तो कॉमन ही है ना, ref dot
ref
start.
dot start. Okay, so
हाँ,
it will call by that
तो
statement.
कॉमन, ये कॉमन है, हाँ कॉमन है।
Okay.
अभी MSCIT का भी कोई अगर ये है मेथड सेपरेट, वो आपको कॉल करना है, तो यहाँ पे else if ref instance of MSCIT, उसको डाउनकास्ट करके MSCIT का मेथड, वैसे क्लियर।
Okay.
कॉमन थिंग यहाँ पे लिखा है, जो भी आएगा उसका स्टार्ट मेथड तो कॉल होगा ही होगा। This is very important discussion of Java. This is in fact fundamental based on which entire Java is based. हाँ बोलो।
जो इंस्टेंस ऑफ के पहले लिखते हैं वो एज अ चाइल्ड हम बोलते हैं ना कि
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं। इंस्टेंस ऑफ के पहले जो लिखते हैं ना, उसका कंटेंट चेक करो आप। अब उसका कंटेंट क्या है, DAC-DBDA इन दिस केस, बराबर। और वो DAC-DBDA इसके साथ कंपेयर करो, वो इज है क्या है, DAC-DBDA इज DAC-DBDA, सो ट्रू मतलब यहाँ पे कंट्रोल आएगा। व्हेन MSCIT गोज टू रेफ का कंटेंट क्या है, MSCIT। अब यहाँ पे MSCIT है, यहाँ पे DAC-DBDA। MSCIT इज DAC-DBDA, पूछो अपने आप को, MSCIT DAC-DBDA है क्या, नहीं है, सो false means whatever is written that will not execute.
ओके।
इंस्टेंस ऑफ का एक सेपरेट एग्जांपल भी है, आई विल शो यू दैट। सो ये जो 3 में मैंने ऐड किया है, एक्चुअली वो मेन एग्जांपल में 4 में है, क्योंकि 3 में एक्सेप्शन आता है, एक्सेप्शन कम्स इन 3, सो 4th में उसका सॉल्यूशन दिया है, 4th कोर्स डेमो 4। सो दैट वे ये जो है ना एग्जांपल्स, देखो कोर्स डेमो 1, 2, 3 और 4, जो एक सीक्वेंस में आपको रिवाइज करना है, आराम से।
सर इंस्टेंस
आराम से
ऑफ
जाना है कि ये कंसेप्ट पूरा क्लियर होना चाहिए। हाँ बोलो।
इंस्टेंस ऑफ जो है इट कम्स अंडर ऑब्जेक्ट क्लास नो इन द लाइब्रेरी।
नहीं, इंस्टेंस ऑफ ऑपरेटर है, देखो ये यहाँ पे नोट भी है टुडेज डिस्कशन में, व्हाट इज इंस्टेंस ऑफ ऑपरेटर। या देखो, हाँ बोलो।
सर यहाँ पे इफ कंडीशन में रेफरेंस बाद में भी ले सकते हैं, लाइक DAC-DBDA पहले भी ले सकते हैं ना, या फिर ये ऐसे ही रहना चाहिए?
नहीं,